Hi guys, my name is Madina, I am Illustrator. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this illustration in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. We need canvas size 2000 and 2000 pixels. Paste our sketch into it. Sketch is on the top layer. Lower the opacity to half and lock it. Create several layers underneath for coloring. For tracing the sketch, we will use curvature tool to make smooth lines. To make corners, click the left mouse twice. Create new layer for dress, choose yellow color you like from the palette and select the new layer under the skin layer. For eyelashes, nose and mouth lines, I created a brush from Ellipse, but you may use any brushes of Adobe Illustrator. To make shadow on the neck, select it, copy and paste on the same place. Shortcuts for this: Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Then select multiply from the opacity to make it darker and lower it to half. To erase unwanted areas, choose this layer and erase with eraser tool. To make the cheeks, create pink ellipse, go to the Effect menu, select Stylize, then the feather, as I do. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave comment below about what kind of video, what kind of tutorials you'd like to see on my channel. Goodbye.